How to. First-time registration for credit card services. Community First is always looking for ways to improve our online and mobile banking experience for members. We're excited to launch a new experience for credit card holders. When logging into online or mobile banking, you'll need to complete a one-time registration. Let's review the steps. Step 1. From the home screen, select your credit card. Step 2. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Next. Step 3. Enter the personal information for the primary cardholder. This includes the last 4 digits of the social, date of birth, and the zip code associated with the card. Click Next. Step 4. Verify your profile information. Enter an optional card nickname and complete any missing fields. Click Next. Step 5. You'll now be asked to create 3 security questions to help verify your identity in the future. Select from the options provided. Click Next. Step 6. A pop-up will appear confirming you've been enrolled. Click OK to go to your account summary page.